Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are having a wonderful day today. So I've come again here in the video to do the English practice, and today I'm just focusing on on one thing which is very important, and I found out very difficult while speaking is like raising your voice to up to the mark basically. So sometime I feel like I have basically saw my previous video, and over that I found out that I need to basically speak more louder comparison to my previous videos, because this shows you have a solid vocabulary and a lot of practice you have done. So these all things are very important, and apart from this, today I didn't have some sort of cue card because I'm feeling I'm not going to do to speak on cue cards, because I found out whenever you are speaking uh, fluently, so why should you do need to basically speak on cue card, because it actually helps a lot more, because at that moment you didn't have any sort of things and you just speaking. So that is what I'm doing, and so at the time I was stuck while speaking, and nowadays I'm just listening a lot of podcasts related to a lot of native speakers, such as I do watch a lot of times like a cricket match. Over that I just choose the language in English, so that is how basically I do the listening practice, and you can also do the same thing. And if you want to basically learn English, so you need to basically change your all things, such as your phones basically language, and your typing, uh, your typing keyboard, such as while we are writing it in Hindi language, so you need to change it in English basically. And other thing is that whenever you are trying to watch video on any platform, so look at into changing the language in English. So try to grasp as much as you can, so that you can basically first understand like how people react and how people speak, and after that basically focus on another thing is reading is basically most important part, because that is how our brain gets some sort of knowledge, deep knowledge you can say, and that is how I basically built myself confidence, like reading a lot of books. By that I am able to basically able to make a plan where I am able to express myself on YouTube, because if I'm starting from the beginning, so it feels very difficult, and there's a lot of things such as like self doubt. I basically searching out that, because that happens a lot of people's. But if somebody's know how to tackle that and how to win and how to have a positive mindset, so he can basically do whatever he wants. And so that is how I basically able to complete 500 videos, which is very difficult for anyone who are basically trying to focus on learning and improving themselves, and along with that uh, like um, creating content every day, so while working. So it is very difficult challenge which I've taken, but still I am pretty feeling good that I'm able to consistently work on it. But there is some sort of things, some sort of time where I missed uploading videos, and that is a part of our life. So that is going to happen in upcoming days. But one thing which is sure, that I'm going to achieve my goal, not in one day, but one day definitely. So on this note, I'm completing this video. I hope you find it helpful, and I hope you can relate myself as well. So bye bye, have a good day.